Audio is a key form of communication in our daily life, from talking to a friend or listening to a song. Most of us lean on audio every day, across many languages and for different purposes. Typically, when large language models interact with audio, they take the audio, they run it through a speech recognition system to convert it to text, and then they feed that text into another model that understands text. However, by doing that, many nuances are lost, like voices or pronunciation. But Gemini, with its native multimodal capabilities, is able to process the raw audio signal end-to-end. Let me take you through an example. We uploaded an audio clip that asked Gemini a question about pronunciation in a foreign language. Let's listen to the clip and then to Gemini's response.
How to pronounce the word Lunar January in Chinese? Option A, 正月. Option B, 正月. Which one is correct? Which tone is the correct tone for the first character?
Option A. The first character is pronounced with the first tone.
Gemini was able to differentiate the two ways of pronouncing the word to make sure it was correct. In that clip, there was only one speaker. Let's look at this example where there is more than one person speaking.
Alors Pierre, quelles sont les couleurs incontournables de la saison?
Eh bien Marc, cette saison, le jaune canari et le rouge écarlate sont à la mode. Mais le bleu nuit est out.
Hi, Gemini. I don't understand this podcast. Can you please summarize it for me in English?
The podcast is about the colors that are in fashion this season. The colors that are in fashion this season are canary yellow and scarlet red. The color that is not in fashion this season is night blue.
With Gemini multimodal capabilities, it can understand the conversation content, making it not only a transcription model, but a model that has much more nuanced understanding of the environment. Let's take it a bit further. Gemini works natively across vision, audio, and text, meaning it can properly make sense of them together. Let's look at one final example.
What's the first step to make a veggie omelet with these ingredients?
Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them.
Thank you for the instructions. I've started making my omelet. Does it look ready now?
It looks like it's almost ready. You can flip it over to cook the other side.
Why is it not ready?
It's not ready because the eggs are still runny.
What about now?
It looks ready now. You can take it off the heat and serve it.
As we saw, Gemini is able to simultaneously process information from three modalities: audio, vision, and text. We believe that enabling Gemini to listen to the source audio will help us continue to expand its capabilities and make it more helpful to people.